Hi everyone, I'm Sungeun and welcome to Lifestyle C. Today I'm going to make a vision board and show you how to make it step by step. At the end of the video, I will share my tips for making a minimalist vision board, so please keep on watching. A vision board is a visual reminder that will show you what you want to achieve in your daily life. The more you look at it, the higher the chance you will attract your dreams. I'm a visual person, so images are more recognizable than texts. I've made a lot of mood boards so far, but I actually never made a proper vision board for my life. So I finally decided to make it. I really need motivation now, so I decided to make a physical one. When you wanna have a digital version, you can take a picture of the board and make it digital for your phone, laptop, and desktop. First, you can decide whether it's your short-term or long-term vision. In my case, I will make a vision board for 1 year because I currently need more small victories and clear direction. Next, you can have a brainstorm. Ask some questions to yourself like, what do you want to achieve in 1 year? How do you want to live? Who do you want to be? Where do you want to go, or where do you want to live? Or why do you want to do that? And write down the keywords. In this step, I highly recommend unplugging and focusing on your voice rather than being influenced by other people. Then you can find the right images from Pinterest, Instagram, or magazines. It's not necessary, but you can apply a preset to make pictures more cohesive. If you want to have only a digital vision board, use Photoshop, Keynote, or some other graphic programs and arrange the pictures nicely. I'm gonna print all images out. You can print a bit more and select the right ones. You can prepare any type of physical board. It can be a piece of thick paper, whiteboard, corkboard, or whatever you like. For me, I prepared a white canvas board. I love the texture and I can change some pictures easily with push-it pins. Finally, you can arrange the images. You can edit it anytime, so I feel less pressure to make my vision board perfectly all at once. I love the result of my simple and minimal vision board, and I really enjoyed the process. We're in the middle of the year, and I believe we need to refresh the atmosphere and motivation. I think a vision board will be a good step to start the new summer season. I'm very excited to see what happens in my life with this board. I hope you like this video. If you make a vision board, please share yours using #LifestyleC on Instagram. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys soon. Bye!